Welcome to a macro view, where we take an in-depth look at Roll20 macros and break them down in an attempt to make you a better macro maker. Thanks for joining me. My name is Jim. Let's get started. Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. This and the next couple videos are going to be, I entitled them DM videos, and the reason why is because it's much more efficient for a DM to create these macros and then assign them so that people can see them, and then everybody can use the same exact macro. You can still create them for yourself if you want, but it's better if a DM does it, so that's why I titled it that. This one is initiative. It's pretty simple, and I'll show the DM stuff afterwards. So if we're going to build this, you use the default template, and the name is going to be initiative. And then in the title bar, we're also going to put for at. We're going to make a stat call to get the selected tokens token underscore name, and then we're going to end the row. So let's look at that just to see. If we run this, you're going to get an error if you don't pick some, if you don't select a token. See, but this is a roux, so if I click this initiative for roux, if I click Skiki, initiative for Skiki, Rin, Zrager. So it's just getting whoever I selected. So that is the title. And then we're going to do the next row and INI initiative. And we're going to roll 1 die 20. Plus, I'm going to go get their dexterity modifier, plus at brace selected, pipe dexterity underscore mod, brace, whoops, mod brace, and then we're going to go space ampersand brace tracker, and then end the roll and end the row. Okay, so this is actually going to put the initiative of the person you select on the tracker. So it will also put it in the chat box, and the reason I like that is because sometimes, like if I run this now, if I pick a roux and I run this, gives me a 10. If I run it for Rin, 12, and you can see that it's 1 die 20 plus 5 because Rin's dexterity modifier, I just happen to know it's 5, and roux is 3. So it puts it on there, which is fine. If you don't have the tracker open, it won't put it on there. It'll only put it over here. So sometimes they'll roll before I can get the tracker open, and that's why I like it over here, because then I have them roll again to put it on the tracker, and then I change it to what their first roll was. So if we click on Skiki and we run this, you can see that, oh, it put all 3 of them on there. That's new to me. So Aru, Riki, Zrager, let's do Zrager, and then Kiara. So there you go. So it puts it over here, and it puts it, more importantly, it puts it on the tracker. So when they say roll for initiative. Now I have, as the DM, I have created this macro, so when they click their character, it's already up here. So let me clear these. And then if I click Rin, initiative, Anu, Aru, initiative, Kiara, initiative, And again, this is helpful because if someone's not there, has to step away or something, anyone can roll for them because it's based on the selected person token's stats, not the person that's clicking on them. So Kiara would click on hers if she wanted to run it, but she could also click on Zrager and Aru and run theirs as well. So as a DM, if you go over here, and I apologize, I have supplementals, crazy supplementals loaded. Let's go to initiative right here. So here is the initiative macro, but I put show as token action, so that makes it, when they click on it, it shows up on the button. And then here, I select visible to all players. And then and then you save changes. So then when they click on this, shows up for everybody, and it's the exact same macro because they're using my macro, they're not using their macro, so they don't have to create it individually. So that's how initiative is done. Pretty straightforward and simple. And again, it's advantageous if a DM creates this, then the players don't have to. And so a player can, but I think it's better if they don't. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next one.